she says she could have told me it was going to get this high. We got nothing to worry about. What's the matter, Buttons?
Lumber.
What you looking for?
This lumber. It's gone.
Where do you suppose it went? Okay, there's some of it.
One of
Right down there.
Oh, you see the other big board is over there.
Oh, yeah. There's the other board.
I didn't lose the concrete blocks. They fell off. It's okay. Poop right there. Go ahead, baby. That's all right. That's okay. Go ahead. That's okay. Go on.
Trying to tell Buttons to poop on the porch.
Come on, baby. You can do it. That's all right. Go ahead. If you gotta go, go.
Buttons says, no, I want to poop on the run, on the swim.
She won't poop on anything except the grass. You
What
wanna
grass?
dig a hole out there?
Nope.
That's the worst thing I ever did to her. To make her go potty outside. I'm sorry, Buttons. I'm sorry. Poop right there. That's okay.
How do I get her out of here? This is insane. What do I got to do? Put her on my back? Mark says, oh, it's going to be fun. Huh. Well, I don't know how fine it's going to be.